Alright, you guys, so today we are going to do my Monday cleaning routine. Now, on Monday, I do mirrors and bathrooms. That's what my little list says, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to show you guys today exactly how I execute the task, gather all my supplies, and today I'm cleaning my kids' bathroom. Now, this is usually my son's duty on Saturdays, but since my daughter is now potty trained, I'm keeping both of my eyes on the bathroom because you know how little boys are with bathrooms, just kids in general. Let me not just blame little boys. So I'm keeping an extra eye on the bathroom, and I took the task on to clean their tub, clean their toilet, which I don't usually do. I usually leave it up to my son to do. Now, I don't know about you, but the tub isn't clean if I don't have to step into it to clean it. So I always put on my cleaning clothes and step in the tub to clean it. The tub, like I said, this is really the reason why I'm cleaning the bathroom, because she's using the potty, she's not using the potty anymore. She's using the toilet. She's fully potty trained. We threw away her toilet yesterday. So I have to make sure this toilet is spick and span, because I couldn't imagine her sitting on someone else's pee. Oh my God. Now, this is how I know if you really clean the bathroom or if you just acting like you clean the bathroom. Have you gotten on the side of the toilet? Is the side of the toilet, the whole toilet bowl, is it clean? Alright, so next I'm going to start with mirrors, and that's a part of the Monday task. I clean the mirrors with vinegar and water, so I really don't have to move too much out of the way, just in case it gets on the toothbrushes and things like that. I like to use vinegar and water, and it is the best mirror cleaner that I have found. I'm using paper towels right now, only because I had some left over from last time, but a microfiber cleaning towel is the best way to clean the windows. I also, while I'm in the bathroom, take and restock everything. So Q-tips, cotton swab, things like that, the hand soap, toothpaste, anything that needs to be restocked in my bathroom or the kids' bathroom, I'll do that as well. So a lot of times people forget about the mirrors, or throughout the house, not just the bathroom mirrors. I like to clean off all the mirrors in the house, and the mirrors in our rooms are definitely a part of that. Now, my daughter's room, as you can see, this mirror, she talks to herself in it all day long and just does the absolute most. I'm not in her room to clean her room. I'm just in here to clean the mirror. So that's just what I'm doing. I found that the way to not get overwhelmed is to only do the tasks that I have set out to do. So Monday is mirrors. I'm not in here to do bedding and all of this kind of other stuff. I'm just in here to clean the mirrors and clean the surfaces. So the next thing I like to do is go throughout the house, and I will do this at any time, but Monday is the day that I have designated to do this, and that's clean off all the surfaces and all of the doorknobs. So remote controls, doorknobs, door seals, like just anything that's grimy, like her little table that she sits at to eat her food, she eats in her room. I just make sure that everything that gets touched frequently and looked over is dusted and cleaned. My son's room is no exception. He has the task of cleaning his own room. The only thing that I'm in here to do is wipe off the surfaces. Okay, so next up is cleaning the doors. Now, I open this door almost every single day, especially during the weekdays when I'm here alone. I open the doors, so I like to make sure the whole door is clean. The side door as well as the front door, I make sure to clean them. Now, our apartment community, they actually pressure wash outside about twice a month, so it's not usually like extremely dirty, but they don't do your door and they don't do like your door seal. So I make sure to clean the outside of mine, particularly because it's the entrance to your home. Like, take pride in your space, right? The inside of the door also gets overlooked, and you know, kids like to touch doors. I hate to see the grime on the outside of the door, so I make sure to clean it. Next, you guys know how I feel about floors. It's the most relaxing thing that I do, and I literally do floors every single day, but this day is designated specifically for the floors throughout the home. All right, and yes, this is on my list. I don't do the laundry. My husband usually does the laundry, but I like to make sure this is emptied. And last but certainly not least, and that's go through the home and light candles, incense, diffusers, whatever I need to make the home smell extra special and clean. You guys can see the bracelets here. These are actually all sold, but this is where I leave my bracelets that need to go out after I've done making them. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope it encouraged you to keep your space clean.